Breaking: Nnamdi Kanu's trial adjourned as items recovered from the IPOB leader revealed. The trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has been adjourned to May 2, 2025. Nigerian Point reports that the court had admitted in evidence an extrajudicial statement Nnamdi Kanu made in 2015, shortly after he was arrested by operatives of the Department of State Services. Imagine, you arrested him since 2015. That's like 10 years ago. Wow. And now you're just carrying him to court. The statement was tendered before the court by a DSS operative that appeared as the first prosecution witness in the 7-count reasonable felony charge the federal government preferred against scandal, whose identity was shielded, was simply identified as PWAAA, the testified behind the screen. Nigerian Point told the court that he led the team of security operatives that arrested the defendant on October 14, 2015. And in one of the rooms, according to Lagos International Airport, upon his return to the country from the United Kingdom. Nigerian Point also tendered video recordings of the interrogations that ensued after Kanu's arrest. 4 suitcases that contained various items that were recovered in the hotel where Kanu was arrested were equally produced before the court. The suitcases contained personal belongings of the defendant, including equipment he allegedly used for his Radio Biafra broadcast, so he seized everything from him. Now, wow. Trial Justice James Omotosho admitted the items in evidence and marked them as exhibits in the case. No be small thing. The exhibits are: 1, a black laptop, a multi-mix transmitter, mini white not Apple iPad with pouch, 1 grey Apple iPad with pouch, 1 grey MacBook with pouch, 1 grey MacBook with case, and 1 mini drone sound wave speaker, 2 mini white speakers, 1 large computer mouse, 1 white adapter, 1 laptop adapter, and 1 carton bag with laptop. The second suitcase, they have a modem, Glo Hawaii modem, MTN modem, Etisalat, flash drive, camcorder, hand recorder in the black pouch, MacBook Pro adapter, mic stand, Philips headphone, Radio Sharp mic with cord, Pro Sound mic with cord, 4G lit modem, a bunch of cards. Only 1 card was found. Power adapter for mixer, Easy Blaze white modem, Samsung phone, black Motorola phone, 1 Nokia phone, black Samsung, black phone, Link black modem, flash drive, extension wire adapter, a pair of shoes, a belt, cedar wood sneakers, footwear, suitcase 3, black Softtek wristwatches, 2 singlets, sealed Hermes perfume, trinkets, Pocam perfume, Frederick Peckham wristwatch, Diesel wristwatch, Alexander Christie collection wristwatch. So somebody this people are funny. Suitcase 4. Now wow. 3 bank MasterCard, copies of documents, copy of IPOB complimentary card, documents tax IPOB, 1 white slipper, 1 bottle of medicine, other Oman perfume, 2 mini scented oil, 1 empty black purse. Now wow. Nigerian passports bearing the names of Kanu, 1 Kaibiya Nnamdi Gozuchukwu. British passport bearing the name Okokano, 1 Kaibiya, black purse, passport holder, card holder, box of recorded wristwatch, 4 bundles of cord. Now wow. So all of these that you saw in his bag, how are there evidences? And because it's obvious that he has a radio station that he is running, so all of those things is definitely going to be using them for his Radio Biafra talk show, whatever it is he wants to do. So why is everything from him claiming it's his evidence? Now wow, always me said, Well, I think by Nigeria law, there is nothing incriminating on all these items at all. There is nothing incriminating there. But I think Mr. Nnamdi Kanu and the federal government should reach for peace and agreement for the sake of the Igbos. Nnamdi Kanu is not going to do that. Because if he tries to reach an agreement, they are going to give him conditions. And the conditions will probably be that he should not be fighting for Biafra again. He should never say anything about Biafra again and all of that. And I don't think Nnamdi Kanu is ready for that. Not after all the years he has spent in prison. So his staying in prison would have gone to a waste. I don't think he's going to agree to do that. If the government can free Boko Haram bandit headsmen in the name that they are repentant, then they should set Mr. Nnamdi Kanu free. Abi, that's what you should say for peace and moving forward of the country, Nigeria. Abi, release him. It is well. Shama Dori says, and mind you, Nnamdi Kanu is not in any way trying to overthrow the devil government of the zoo, but only preaching the heavenly gospel of the Most High God. But the Nigeria evil government is the one trying to fight the truth, which is the true gospel of heaven. And I tell you, God will shame the evil that the zoo are hiding right from the presidency to the last. Amen. Chama says, I curse Nigeria and all the you curse Nigeria. If you curse Nigeria, you are living in Nigeria. Do you know that? So if you curse Nigeria, whatever happens to Nigeria will definitely affect you, or you don't know. Curse Nigeria. And all the people involved in Nnamdi Kanu's case, that all of them will have no peace. If you curse Nigeria, then Nigeria will have no peace. If you are in Nigeria, that means you also will not have peace. People should be careful of the kind of things that you say. You curse Nigeria. I beg. Sadiq Mahari says somebody who denied it wasn't his voice that was heard from Major Biafra, using inciting statements and giving his terrorist orders to kill military and police. Shut up, who is the terrorist? Sadiq, no be people be terrorists. Where's their word? Tidis Moore says, please, is him carrying all these items with trailer or train? He came in through the airport now, so obviously. Or probably he sent them ahead before he came, or he came before they sent all of his properties ahead. Whichever way, he had them, and it is not incriminating. So why are they tendering it as an evidence? I've been a crime to get wristwatch, a crime to get sneakers, a crime to wear a hand chain, to wear trinkets. It's not a crime. It's not. My listeners, over to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.